Hi guys, it's Kiesha. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm making a DIY detoxifying thick and creamy black soap shampoo. So yeah, I'll use about like 1/4 of the black soap, and I'm just shredding it just to make it easier to melt down. And if you follow me on Instagram, you see that I posted this probably about like a month or 2 months ago. But I decided to post it here on YouTube since some of you might not follow me on Instagram and didn't see the video. So after everything is all shredded up, I'm putting it into a measuring cup. And this made about a 1/2 cup of shredded black soap. I'm just adding some Jamaican black castor oil, some coffee bean oil, and some tea tree oil. And then I'm adding about a tablespoon of Indian healing clay. And then I'm adding 2 ounces of hot boiling water. I didn't want to put too much water in it because I didn't want my black soap to be too liquidy. I wanted it to be like thick and creamy. So I let it sit for about 2 hours. As I let it sit, I set it in a bowl of hot water constantly. So I was constantly refilling this gray bowl. So yeah, after about 2 hours, all the black soap was melted and it made this beautiful creamy shampoo. And I'm just transferring into this little bottle that I'm reusing. And this is it. And I'm just going to show you guys how I wash my hair with this black soap. And it left my hair feeling super clean, but it didn't like strip my hair. It just made it feel like very clean. So yeah, this is all natural, and I just love black soap. I use it on not only my hair but on my body. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the rest of this video. Bye.
Ryan Little.